Hello and welcome to the course on Modern Measurement and Instrumentation EC 504. This is a course that is taught to students of semester 5 of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Nirma University. We are studying the second chapter, that is on bridge measurements. And so far we have studied all the DC bridges, AC bridges like Maxwell, Hayes and Sharing, and we also solved some numericals based on all the three bridges. Now today we're going to study Wien bridge, that is used for measurement of frequency, and de Shorty's bridge for comparing capacitances in today's class. So we know that bridge is basically a loop with set of 4 arms or branches, and each of the branch may contain one or more electrical components. And there are two types of bridges, AC and DC. We had already studied DC bridges and we have started and checked the balance conditions for AC bridges. So an AC bridge would require an AC voltage signal to be operated, and it can be used for measurement of unknown inductance, capacitance or frequency. Now today we are going to study a bridge that is used for measurement of this unknown frequency, that is Wien bridge. Let's take a look at it. So Wien bridge is also used in harmonic distortion analyzer, where it is used as a notch filter for discriminating a specific frequency. So if I can tune into a particular frequency or adjust my components such that I can measure my desired frequency, I can use it for application. So we're going to derive an expression to find out on what component values or parameters does that frequency measurement depend on. So we'll derive an expression for that unknown frequency. And later we would be studying de Shorty's bridge, which is the simplest method for comparing two capacitances. Then we'll see that if I am considering my capacitances when they have some amount of dielectric loss, how would I be modifying my circuit, and then how would I be calculating the expression of that unknown capacitance. Later we'll be solving examples based on both the bridges, and then we would be concluding the class.